Listen to the sound as somebody upstairs is taking a shower. I'm in the laundry room. Hear that clicking? There's no water damage from what I can tell. You can hear it really well in the kitchen also. I don't know what it is.